Hello CS50 members and Harvard School. My name is Jan Farba, or X JustCommonUsername. I'm a part of Russian CS50 community, and today I want to show you my final project for the course CS50X Idea Project. What's that, you may ask? That's the website where you can add and share your ideas, also read the ideas of other users, and contact them by their emails. So let's get started. First of all, we have to register. Here you have to provide your username, email, and password. Let the username be creator. Also, email would be creator mail.ru. Password would be also creator. Not so imaginative, but never mind. And register. Great. So now we are in the system. But some of you may ask, why do we go to the login after registering and not the index.html? The login here will be like a little check that the person who added his information remembers the information itself. Here's two types of logging in, via email or username. I prefer logging in via username because it's more convenient and faster. Our username is creator and the password also. So now let's log in. Great. Now we are in the system. And here you can see the main part of the idea project. The index.html shared ideas themselves. But we'll get to this part a bit later. We go to the portfolio. As you know, now we are absolutely newbies and we don't have any ideas added before. So that's why here we see only Jumbotron that gives you information about the part of this website. Portfolio. Here you will see the main information about added ideas. Info. Here you'll see the main info, but a bit more precisely about the added ideas also. History. Here's the history of adding ideas, and of course now the most important one, add, as you can see. Here, ideas born. On that page you will be able to add a new idea to your portfolio. So let's do this. Idea of a project. Let it be, for example, I need to use caps lock here. Idea project. Type of the project, website. How many files? Approximate 15 files. And description of your idea. I want to make a website on which you will be able to add and share your ideas and also rate ideas of another users. Great. So let's add the idea. Yay, the idea is added. So here you can see it in portfolio. The idea, type, files, originality, status, and delete. Now we want to use this little part, but a bit about the status. Now it's unshared, and because of that, you won't see it in the index.html on the idea project, because here you can see only shared ideas. So what do you need to share? What do you need to do to share your idea? You have to go to the info. Description of the info. Here you can see type of a project, number of needed files, description, originality, and rating. Pretty the same as the portfolio, except rating, because on the portfolio you won't see it. So what the rating is, you'll see. Here's our idea project. The same information as we got from the portfolio, except the rating, as I said, and now it's 0 because it's unshared. So to get some likes or dislikes, let's share it. Great. So now as you can see, it's shared, and here on the portfolio it's also shared. Great. Let's go to index.html and check. And right here we got our idea. So let's talk about the index.html a little bit more. Here you will see username, email, and the idea of the user, and pretty the same thing as the info, except the info about the idea that you'll see. So the idea itself precisely, and the user. I'll show how it works. Let's go to, for example, to that idea. It was added by Jan with the email pa@mail.ru. The idea is create a website about cookies. Pretty interesting. Description. I want to create a website where people would get information about recipes of cookies. Great. It's original. Here's the date of rating. And the rating is +1. Somebody already rated. Let's see how it works. To see the idea itself, you have to push idea, and here you can see only this idea. And going to info idea, you'll be able to like and dislike. The same thing you'll get when going to the user, except the fact that here you'll see not only one idea, but all the ideas that were shared by that user. So that's create a website about cookies and create a website about astrophysics. Pretty interesting one. I think I'd like to like it. So let's see. And yes, now it got rating +1. Great. And what if some ideas will have negative rating? For example, that one. It's pretty strange idea, and somebody disliked that. So as you can see, the rating here is -1, which is right. And the same thing, going to the idea, you'll see the idea itself, and going to the user, you'll see all the shared ideas of that user. Okay. And what if you go to your idea? Will you be able to like it? No, you won't. The same with user. Here's no button to like, so you won't be able to like yourself as much as you want. That's pity, of course, but let users like your idea. History shows date of rating and some little information, and that's all what it does. Now let's check what if you add someone's idea, for example, blah blah blah. It would be pretty interesting. What if you'd like to make the same thing? Description would be I don't know, just blah 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 either at. Oops, here's the warning. The idea that you want to add already exists and was uploaded by Leonid, as you can see, at that time. If you choose to continue iteration, the idea that you want to add will be matched as created by Leonid, otherwise you will have to change an idea. Now let's continue adding, and here in the originality you'll see created by Leonid, and that one will be the second one made. Okay, so also in the info it will be created by Leonid. Right, and what if you'd like to make absolutely the same idea as you got? For example, you just forgot that you done it already and want to make the same thing as you already did. In that case, idea project has special process to stop you from making this mistake. Self-warning that the idea that you want to add already exists and was uploaded by you at that time. It won't be rational to add two identical ideas, therefore you have to change the idea. Okay, so the last part that I would like to show you is deleting the idea. After deleting the idea, you won't see it anymore in the profile in your portfolio, also in the info, or let's delete that one, in the index, but history will show it. Here will be all the information from adding the ideas. Okay guys, that's all for the idea project. That's my final project. Thanks for watching and goodbye.